Hello everyone, want to join the ChatGPT fun? I'll show you how to log into ChatGPT in just few simple steps. First, open the ChatGPT app on your phone. If you are not already logged in, you'll see a login button. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you will be redirected to a browser page where you can choose your preferred login method. Here, enter your email address and follow the prompts to continue. Or if you signed up using another method like Google, Apple, or Microsoft, you can select that option instead. For example, I signed up using Google, so I'll tap on Continue with Google and select my account. Once you complete the login process, you will be redirected back to the ChatGPT app, and that's it. You are now signed in and ready to start chatting. If you have trouble logging in, make sure you have entered the correct email or try resetting your password. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick and easy guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.